What's up, everybody? I'm trying out a new microphone today. I haven't tweaked with any of the settings yet, so if this doesn't sound the best, I might be able to make it better. But I decided to try and upgrade a little bit from my Apple earbuds that I've been using. But, anyways, today we're going to be talking about good old Chainlink. And I know everybody's excited because we've been going on a nice little run here, and there's been lots of big whale purchases of Chainlink. We have been holding strong support, and the larger time frames are actually looking pretty promising. So I'm going to be going over that, but I'm also going to be looking at some major resistance levels that we're going to have to look out for. And first thing I want to bring up is if you take a fixed range volume profile of this entire year's worth of price action, basically the entire time that we've been trading in this range here, we have just recently broken above the point of control for the entire year, which is a very powerful level. I mean, you can see we held strong support on it over here. We had a little bit of support here, but once we lost this level, we came up and tested it for resistance. And then this entire area right here, we were just kind of floating around this line, kind of holding it as support. So it's good that we're sitting above it right now. And ideally, we would like to hold this level. Maybe we end up going up a little bit higher and then testing this level for support. And the next major resistance level that I would be looking for would be right where the high volume and the low volume ranges meet. And you can see this level also has very strong support and resistance. And actually, this level is sitting right about $30.70. $30 is a pretty big psychological number, so it may be an area that we may struggle to get above for a little while. And if you look at market cipher B on the daily time frame, the VWAP is decreasing, and it looks like we're going to get a red dot on this momentum wave here, but this momentum wave did manage to get above the 60 line, which is a great sign that this move still potentially has lots of strength. I mean, you can see the last few times that we got the daily momentum wave above the 60 line. Once we did get that first red dot, we did have a retracement. Same thing over here, but both of these times the momentum waves printed multiple green dots afterwards, and price actually continued to put on new highs. And another reason I think if we come to a major level of resistance that we may get a small pullback is because the money flow on the daily time frame, although Chainlink has been showing strength for multiple weeks at this point, the money flow on the daily time frame is still deep in the red, and in fact, it has continually put in lower lows in money flow. So until this daily money flow starts inching closer towards crossing over into the positive, we still definitely run the risk of rejecting off of one of these points of resistance. And if that happens, ideally we'll be able to hold some of the significant support beneath us, like this point of control, or like some of these significant support levels that I have marked out. But once this daily money flow crosses over into the positive, just like the last time it happened, I am expecting a much larger move than this in the future. Overall, Chainlink should have a very big year with CCIP and staking coming in 2022. And although Chainlink overall for the past year hasn't had the best price action, it is largely responsible for many of the features that you see in DeFi today, and with what it's bringing in 2022, should see many more improved features. And price action wise, I believe that just like every other time we've seen Chainlink trade like this, sideways and inside a range, we are eventually going to see it break upwards and again start trading in a higher range. And I think there's a pretty good chance that CCIP and staking can make that happen. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, consider leaving a like, subscribing, and even turning on my post notifications. I really appreciate all the support, everybody. And I will see you all on Thursday for my next video. Peace out.